After spending hundreds of dollars on wood, you wouldn't want them to warp when stored. So, you'll want to use the best lumber storage racks to keep your lumber dry, straight, and out of the way. Moreover, your lumber rack should be durable enough to support heavy loads without resulting in a safety hazard. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best lumber storage racks from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Boer Wood Organizer and Lumber Storage Metal Rack. This wood organizer and lumber storage rack by Boer is top rated for a reason. The metal rack provides the perfect storage solution for your building supplies in the garage, shed, or workshop. Besides lumber, use it to store firewood, gutters, PVC, skis, golf clubs, sheet metal, and pipes, among other construction tools. Additionally, this wall-mounted lumber rack is easy to install without occupying floor space. Moreover, it offers 6 levels of storage. Thus, you could use the top tiers as a wood rack and add wooden boards to the others to increase shelf space. With this unit, you can store up to 600 pounds of wood, with each shelf holding up to 110 pounds. With this industrial storage equipment, you can store all the heavier logs and boards without worrying about the weight. Number 2. Casfor's KF1004 Lumber Storage Rack. Luckily, you needn't have to spend a fortune to find a reliable solution for your lumber storage needs. This storage solution by Casfor's allows you to maintain the quality of your wood even when running on a budget. Besides sporting a smaller profile, you can mount this unit on the garage wall, saving floor space. I recommend this product to those working in a smaller workshop or garage. This 3-level rack system offers up to 330 pounds of support, allowing you to store your lumber off the wood. This protects the wood against moisture damage and will enable you to keep wood straight. Number 3. DeWalt 3-piece wall mount. DeWalt is renowned for manufacturing high-quality power tools and accessories. As such, it comes as no shock to find this product among the best lumber storage racks. This 3-piece wall mount unit features a customizable depth and includes adjustable 63, 103, and 123 cantilever arms, allowing for enhanced accessibility of stored items. Also, you'll appreciate its high capacity, which varies with the arm length. For instance, the short arm can support 50 pounds, while the medium and long arm supports 25 pounds and 16 pounds, respectively. It can support up to 273 pounds of storage weight. Additionally, the unit offers maximum durability with the steel arms featuring an industrial-scale powder coating that doesn't chip or fade. Also, this storage rack includes arm end stops, a 2.53 flat tab on each support arm that prevents boards and pipes from rolling off. Number 4. 7 Blacksmith 6-level 600 pounds capacity lumber storage rack. If you need more shelves on your lumber rack, this 6-level storage solution by 7 Blacksmith should fascinate you. Besides suiting outdoor and indoor use, this wall-mounted storage includes 6 levels, each offering up to 100 pounds of support. This totals a weight capacity of 600 pounds. Unlike your typical plywood storage cart, the storage capabilities of this unit are versatile. You can use the product to store items such as skateboards, rods, and broomsticks. You could also modify the unit, with only your imagination limiting you, to use it as a clothes rack. Also, this easy-to-install storage rack features a powder-coated steel construction that resists rust and corrosion. While its use is extensive, the unit features a simple structure for seamless assembly. Number 5. ClearStyle Lumber Rack. This lumber storage solution by ClearStyles includes dual style choices with 2 or 4 units. The product consists of high-quality steel with a galvanized coating, and 2 additional black-colored layers for enhanced durability. Use it to organize your garage and store your building supplies, including lumber, pipes, and gutters. Since it comes with a wall mount option, this unit can help save floor space in your shop or garage. Moreover, it features an easy installation that requires only 4 screws. Similarly, it comes with a step-by-step installation guide to guarantee the best solution for your shop's organization. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.